This lovely 3-bedroom/2-bath home is located on a large corner lot and graced with gorgeous coastal redwood trees. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms that include a master suite with a walk-in closet. The kitchen has a newly installed butcher block island along with new laminate flooring, countertops, and it has stainless steel appliances. The kitchen has a breakfast bar and opens to the living room and a large dining room that can accommodate many guests. For comfort and convenience, there is central heat and air and also a fireplace insert on a brick hearth in the living room. The access to the bonus room is through the living room door. In this space would work well for a weight workout room, a playroom, or a place for your pets. There is a huge fenced backyard with towering trees for added privacy, a covered patio, and planter boxes for gardening. Enjoy a bounty of fruit with a variety of trees including apple, persimmon, peach, plum, pomegranate, and Asian pear. There is a good working sprinkler irrigation system for the front lawn and the fruit trees in the back. This great location is minutes from restaurants, shopping, Dodge Ridge Ski Resort, Pinecrest and Yosemite.